Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to break down everything you need to know about Cricut blades. I thought it would be super helpful to have all this info in one place, so in this video, I'll walk you through the different types of Cricut blades, what each one is used for, what materials they cut best, and which machines they're compatible with. Before we get started, the Cricut machines I'll be talking about in this video are the Cricut Joy and Joy Extra, the Cricut Explore series, the Cricut Maker series, and the Cricut Venture. First up, let's talk about the Finepoint Blade. This is the standard blade that comes with every single Cricut machine when you buy it. It's designed to cut a wide range of light to medium weight materials. The Finepoint Blade is perfect for cutting things like paper, cardstock, vinyl, iron-on or HTV, sticker paper, and infusible ink transfer sheets. It's super versatile and a great place to start for most projects. If you're using a Cricut Venture, the Explorer or Maker Finepoint Blade will work. However, the Venture is designed to cut at much higher speeds and with more force, which can put extra strain on the blade. So while you can use it, it will likely wear out faster. The Cricut Venture comes with this premium Finepoint blade, which is specially built for those heavy-duty jobs, so it's recommended to use that with it. If you're using a Cricut Joy or Joy Extra, you can't use a Finepoint blade from an Explorer or Maker series. The Joy machines use a completely unique blade and housing that's smaller and specifically designed to fit their compact size, so they're not interchangeable. Next, let's talk about the Deeppoint Blade. This blade is made for cutting thicker and denser materials that the standard Finepoint blade can't always handle. It has a steeper blade angle, 60 degrees instead of 45, and is made from a tougher steel, which allows it to cut deeper and through more rigid materials. It's compatible with the Cricut Explore series, the Cricut Maker series, and the Cricut Venture. The only machines that don't support the Deeppoint blade are the Joy machines. It can cut most materials up to 1.5 millimeter thickness. It's ideal for cutting things like thick cardstock, magnetic sheets, lightweight chipboard, stiff felt, foam sheets, stamp material, and thin or faux leather. Next up is the bonded fabric blade. As you can see, I don't have one of those. This is designed specifically for cutting fabric materials that have a bonded backing, meaning the fabric has a stabilizer or adhesive layer that keeps it firm and helps prevent fraying during cutting. This is essentially a Finepoint blade housed in a pink casing to differentiate it for fabric use. Fabric can dull blades more quickly, so keeping this separate can help maintain the sharpness of the blade for longer. It's kind of like how you wouldn't want somebody to use your fabric scissors on anything other than fabric. Now let's talk about the scoring stylus and the scoring wheel. These are used to create perfect folds and creases in your projects. Some of those projects would include cards, envelopes, gift boxes, or 3D projects. The scoring stylus is a pen-like tool that creates a single crease line by pressing it into your material. It works the best for lighter materials like regular paper and cardstock. The stylus fits into the pen clamp on the Cricut Explorer, Maker, and Venture machines, but it does not work with the Cricut Joy or Joy Extra. The scoring wheel is exclusive to the Maker series. Unlike the stylus, the wheel rolls along the surface of your material for deeper, cleaner score lines. It's available in two versions. The single scoring wheel makes one score line, which is ideal for thinner materials like paper or light cardstock. The double scoring wheel creates two parallel score lines, which is perfect for thicker materials like heavy cardstock or poster board. This helps prevent cracking or tearing when you fold those heavier materials. The scoring wheel works with the quick swap housing system, so you can easily switch it out with other tools to be used with your maker. I'll talk more about the quick swap housing towards the end of the video. Next, let's talk about the rotary blade. This is a game changer if you work with unbacked fabrics and delicate materials. Unlike the bonded fabric blade, the rotary blade doesn't have a sharp tip that pierces. Instead, it rolls like a pizza cutter to gently slice through fabric fibers without snagging or shifting. It is only compatible with the Cricut Maker machines, and it does not fit into the quick swap housing system. It can cut a wide variety. It can handle everything from silk, cotton, and denim to felt, burlap, and even crepe paper or tissue paper without needing any backing. It's also great for cutting material like lace, flannel, or batting. Now let's dive into the knife blade. This is designed for cutting thick, dense, or tough materials that other blades can't handle. The knife blade is only compatible with the Cricut makers because it requires powerful cutting force and precise blade housing. Unlike other blades, the knife blade has a much longer cutting path, so it takes longer to complete cuts. This requires a good connection, so the knife blade projects are not compatible with iOS and Android devices. This blade is sharp and strong enough to cut through materials like balsa wood, basswood, Cricut chipboard, craft foam, leather, and mat board. I'll put a picture on the screen of the thickness size it can cut for different materials. It's also not recommended for cutting images or details smaller than 3/4. Next, let's talk about some of the more specialty tools. These include the engraving tip, debossing tip, perforation blade, and wavy blade. These are part of the quick swap housing system, so if you already have one of those housings like the scoring wheel, you would just need to buy the additional tips or blades. These are only compatible with the Cricut Maker machines. Let's start with the engraving tip. This tool is designed to etch or engrave, and it gives a permanent design. You can use it to personalize jewelry, signs, tags, and more. It doesn't cut, it scratches or engraves the surface and leaves behind the design. This works with flat, soft metals, leather, acrylic, plastic, anodized, or sublimated aluminum, and more. Next is the debossing tip, which is kind of the opposite of engraving. Instead of scratching the surface, it presses down into your material to create raised textured designs. It's perfect for adding decorative accents, logos, or embossed style textures. You can use this with cardstock, poster board, leather, acetate, specialty paper like shimmer or glitter paper, and more. Moving on to the perforation blade, this one creates dashed cut lines that make it easy to tear or fold along the edge. You can make projects like raffle tickets, tear off cards or coupons, spinning wheels, advent calendars, things like that. It will cut through materials like cardstock, copy paper, sticker paper, and more. Lastly, we have the wavy blade, which gives you a fun decorative edge instead of a straight cut. These are great for gift tags, scrapbooking edges, cards and envelopes, or anything where you want a more fun, creative finish. Materials it can cut with is paper and cardstock, vinyl, iron-on, and some fabrics, which I didn't realize it can cut vinyl until I did research. I might have to give that a try sometime. Moving on to the foil transfer tool. This adds a shiny metallic touch to your Cricut projects. This tool works by pressing foil transfer sheets onto your material using pressure. You can use it to embellish cards, invitations, tags, gift boxes, and more. It has a fine, medium, and bold tip. It's compatible with the Cricut Explorer, Maker, and Venture machines. It is not compatible with the Joy machines. You can use this on cardstock, paper, printable sticker paper, craft board, and even vellum. Before I wrap up, there's one more blade that is exclusive to the Cricut Venture. It's called the Automatic Cutoff Blade. This is designed to automatically cut your material at the end of a project, but it's when you're working with smart material. That's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and I would also love it if you gave this video a thumbs up and subscribed if you are new to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.